Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Pro and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. Both seem pretty popular.
Yeah, I see that. The Breville has way more reviews, like over 3,000, while the De'Longhi has under 1,000. But the De'Longhi is ranked higher in its category, right?
Exactly. The De'Longhi is ranked number 2 in Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, while the Breville is number 14 in Semi-Automatic. That tells me the De'Longhi is aiming for full automation.
Makes sense. Looking at the operation mode, the De'Longhi is fully automatic, and the Breville is semi-automatic. So, if you want to be more hands-on, the Breville's the way to go?
Seems that way. You get more control with the Breville. It's got a manual steam wand for milk texturing, while the De'Longhi uses its latte crema system for automatic milk frothing.
Ah, so the Breville lets you practice your latte art skills. What about grinding? Do they both have built-in grinders?
Yep, both have integrated conical burr grinders. The De'Longhi boasts 13 grind settings, which is pretty impressive. The Breville just says adjustable grind control, so it's difficult to nail down the exact number of settings.
Good point. And what about heat-up time? I hate waiting forever for my espresso.
Breville wins there. They claim a 3-second heat-up time with their thermojet system. The De'Longhi doesn't specify but doesn't advertise that feature, so it's probably longer.
Gotcha. What about size? Counter space is precious.
The De'Longhi is a little deeper at 17.32 inches versus the Breville's 13.5 inches. It's also a bit heavier, 21.2 pounds compared to 19.5.
Okay, so De'Longhi is bigger and more automated, Breville is smaller and more hands-on. Is there a price difference?
The De'Longhi is cheaper, currently listed at $549.95, while the Breville is at $679.95.
All right, I think I have a better idea of what to look for now. Thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.